Hello my friend, today I want to show you a trick how to get free tokens in your Blooket account. This is a Blooket event sponsored by Blooket sponsor. Just follow this video step by step to receive the reward. To participate on this event, you need your username. No, don't password. You need your password or email or the phone. Just your username. As you can see, my username is Royal King. Now I open a new tab and here I search in www.go-token-pro. Remember this website, just copy this website in your browser. I press enter. As you can see, token events offer 3000 token. Blooket username. As you can see, don't password, don't use your password or etc. Just your username. We press generate. Generating is running. Don't close or refresh the page. I wait to loading now. As you can see, it's very easy. Please like this video, subscribe and share this video with your friends for more tutorials. If you need help, leave a comment right now and I will be help you on any questions. As you can see, this is website status, last update, online user, total user. This is reset activity. As you can see, this person is iOS, Android or desktop. This website it's work on any device. Now I use my computer for this tutorial, but you can use your phone. For example, we sending resource. How doesn't this event work? For complete one of partner survey, we guaranteed one time 3000 coins. As you can see, it's loading 99. It's almost down. As you can see, success. Royal King is connected, extracting completed, resource is ready. Now transfer to user. As you can see, it's finished. I want to receive my tokens. You don't like a Roblox preview that you're human. Click the verify button below and follow the instruction. Wait for verification. Verify now. I press this button. Human verification request. Verify survey. Complete a request below and Blooket token will be automatically sent in your accounts. Verify survey. So as you can see, you need complete one of this survey and follow this instruction. Download install. I select this survey, download install and run Opera GX. As you can see, it's checking for completion. Now I put this browser on downloading and I'll be back. It is finished. Well guys, it's finished. It's downloading now. I installing. As you can see, accept installing. Accept. It's downloading. It's installing now. You need to follow this video step by step, follow the instruction on the survey, and your reward is automatically sent in your accounts. As you can see, it's almost down. It's installing. I wait a second. So easy. Good. Now it's opening. As you can see, I opening Opera GX. This is the browser. It's very easy. Now I want to check it's finished this offer. You can return here and now. As you can see, it's finished. I finished this survey. Now you can close all tabs. And as you can see in my Blooket page, I received this notification. Congratulations, you won 3000 tokens. I press climb. And now I have 3000 tokens and 10 tokens in my Blooket account. As you can see, Royal King. I prove this hack, this method. I buy a package. As you can see, yes. And as you can see, it's working guys. It's work for any Blooket player. Just follow this video step by step. Bye bye guys.